Hello and welcome to my unboxing video of the DIY Ganesh Kit from iCraft. In this video, I will show you how to make your own clay idol of Lord Ganesha, the elephant-headed god of wisdom and success. This kit contains everything you need to create a beautiful and eco-friendly Ganesh for the upcoming festival. Let's get started. First, I will open the box and show you what's inside. We have a plastic mold of Ganesha, a packet of natural clay, a coconut oil, a brush, a jar of white gesso, red chalk paint, and embellishment for decoration. We also have an instruction manual with detailed steps and tips. First step is to apply coconut oil all over the mold neatly with the help of the brush. This will help us to release the clay easily from the mold later. Make sure to cover every part of the mold with oil and clean the brush with soap water afterwards. The second step is to knead the clay properly and make it smooth. The clay is soft and pliable, so it's easy to work with. The third step is to start applying small portions of clay in the mold to fill the detailed areas. You want to press the clay firmly into the mold so that it takes the shape of Ganesha's features. The fourth step is to keep adding clay layer by layer till the mold is completely filled. You want to make sure that the clay is evenly distributed and there are no air bubbles inside. The fifth step is to smoothen the backside of the clay with a wet hand. This will give us a flat surface for our idol and make it easier to stand on a base. The sixth step is to flip the mold on a flat tabletop surface with an extra pressure. You want to be careful not to damage the clay or the mold while flipping. The seventh step is to loosen the mold with the clay slowly till the mold is mobile. The eighth step is to gently lift the mold to release Lord Ganesha. You want to be very careful not to break or deform the clay while lifting. The ninth step is to let it dry at least for 48 hours or as required. The 10th step is to apply a thin layer of iCraft white gesso and let it dry naturally. This will give our idol a smooth and uniform base for painting. You can use the same brush that we used for oiling and wash it after use. The 11th and final step is to paint your Ganesha as per your requirement. You can use any colors or designs that you like for your idol. And that's it. We've made our own DIY Ganesh idol using iCraft Kit. I hope you enjoyed this video and learned something new. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more unboxing videos. Thank you for watching and happy Ganesh Chaturthi.